I got the bag. Welcome to another makeup moment on the Malcolm Stories channel. If you're someone who's into fashion, style, beauty, entertainment, or pop culture, I promise you if you subscribe, then you're gonna feel like you're a part of the moment. I'm sure you've seen this bag on Instagram or YouTube, all of the cute, pretty girls on social media. The girls like Merit. The girls have been recommending Merit. I think that Merit has merit. I'm definitely saving the bag. So Merit Beauty is known as a minimalist beauty brand that is taking a holistic approach to clean beauty. So they're creating products that are safe for your body, for your skin, but also for the planet.
Just what I had in mind.
They sent me like 6 things. All of the products that they sent me are basically for like an easy breezy complexion type of look. So this is definitely meant to be like a beginner friendly makeup tutorial. It's very clean, it's very simple. So if that's the kind of makeup that you're interested in, then this video will be perfect for you. Okay, so that's the highlighting balm. Ooh, they sent me this blush, Raspberry Beret. Stop it right now, I want a raspberry beret. How do we make this happen? The Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. The packaging on this one is beautiful. The Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. I like this shade, Au Naturale. Look how pretty. Fabulous. This is actually gonna be oh my gosh, how pretty is this mascara? Look at this. This is like so luxe. What is this last product? I got a blending brush. Okay, fabulous. Like a little kabuki brush. Can we get organized? I have 5 Merit products in my hand. I feel like I want America's Next Top Model.
So who stays in this competition?
I did my brows off camera because I'm not a barbarian. I'm only gonna be using Merit products in this video. They did not pay me to do this video. They're not paying me to try these or give my opinions. Starting with the Complexion stick, this is in the shade Umber. Now what I will say is I was actually very pleased to go on their Complexion stick product page and see shades that are darker than my skin tone. This is looking a little dark. I have a feeling we can probably make it work. I'm gonna use the kabuki brush. I feel like this might be really more like a bronzer tone for me than a complexion tone, but it is blending out very smoothly. I love... The thing just fell out. Do you understand how my life is set up? Can you imagine?
Yeah, I feel like a loser.
See, but that's why we're just gonna, yeah. I don't have time for the nonsense. No, this is blending out really nice. Now, here's the thing. I understand this is about your skin but better, soft, minimal makeup. Here's my thing. I'm gonna keep going in for more. So I'm basically just using it as a foundation, but this is the only complexion product that I'm using. I really like that it's kind of just a little small collection of essential products. It may seem like I'm adding a lot, but to be honest, for a medium full coverage person, I'm definitely looking to see maximum coverage I can get. This is exactly the type of product I would use if I was like going to the airport or going to the beach. Like I'm definitely gonna take this with me on vacation next month. It kind of gives me like a tinted moisturizer feel, you know? Yeah, no, the stick I enjoy. I'm gonna keep this around for sure. The Raspberry Beret Cheek Color, this blush, I'm gonna go back to the kabuki and just, yeah. It's definitely a cool tone. It's very soft. Everything is very minimal here. This is about as natural as it gets. You get a complexion product like a concealer or a stick. You put on some blush and mascara. That'll get you through the day sometimes. I'm not gonna lie, I prefer more pigmented blushes, especially with like cream formulas. It's pretty, it's soft, it's natural, it's simple. I definitely do believe bringing blush up onto the forehead. You can even do a little on the nose if you want. Blush made the comeback like Mariah Carey with Emancipation of Mimi.
Clearly, Einstein and I have so much in common.
This is lovely. Is it how I usually do my makeup? Probably not, but again, I'm probably gonna be bringing all of these on vacation. Let's try the blush on the eyes. Yeah, just a little soft flush of color. I like that. How natural. I feel like, you know, Blake Lively. doing a look like this, or like Rosie Huntington Whiteley, or like Keira Knightley, or like Mandy Moore at the Teen Choice Awards. It's really just like that barely there look. It's really cute. Isn't as pigmented as I thought it would be, but you know, it did something. All of these products and this whole minimal beauty approach is making me ready for a pina colada and punta cana. I'm gonna go to the highlighting balm in the shade Bounce now. Let's just see what she does here. I'm already feeling like this is gonna be that sun-kissed, natural, Baywatch, glow from within moment. This is a beautiful natural glow. Beautiful. Yeah, look, right there. Pop that on the eyes. How about that? I just literally feel like the most sun-kissed person in the entire world right now. Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely.
I enjoy it. Again, another great vacation product, another great item to just keep in your bag.
It's not just a bag. It's Prada.
It does feel a little like I'm just stepping out of a sauna, but I enjoy that feeling. I did hot yoga one time and I stepped out and I was like, oh my God, I feel like Jennifer Lopez, beaming and gleaming and glistening, all of these, you know, oils and such. Okay, now we gotta go to the mascara. Ooh, the wand is really thin and lightweight. Very easy to manipulate. This is making my lashes so wispy. Do you see a difference between the eye with the mascara and the one without? Gotta hit the bottom lashes. I just feel like it makes such a difference. Oh, the lip oil. I've heard such good things about this lip oil, and honestly already, I'm kind of obsessed. This lip oil is actually everything. Somehow Merit has managed to achieve the perfect nude for probably any lip color. I've never used like a lip oil before. I like this. The lip oil, definitely keeping in my bag. The Complexion stick, definitely bringing on vacation, as well as the highlighting balm. The blush was probably the only somewhat disappointing moment because I just wanted more pigment. Not me wanting to add more though. This with a powder blush on top of it is probably the business. But yeah, overall, the blush was probably my least favorite. I am so excited that I was finally able to try all of these products and give you guys a demo of Merit Beauty. I'm actually about to see what other colors they have in this lip oil because the lips are lipping. The biggest adjustment is not having any concealer under my eyes right now, but I think for like an everyday makeup look, you don't need to, you know, do all the highlighting and the contouring. Like just taking care of your complexion and taking care of your skin underneath will actually give you a really flawless and consistent look. I'm definitely doing a full face on the channel soon. Like I really just want to get back into the full glam, the lashes, the drama. There's just going to be more of everything. I'm trying to give you more. I very much enjoyed trying Merit Beauty. Thank you to them, whoever's watching this from Merit. Fabulous. Thank you for the makeup, and click subscribe to become a part of the moment. Trying to get to the bag. It's all symbolic. It's a full circle moment. Did I get makeup on this?